Namaskar, welcome to my new vlog. So, this vlog is very special because these are the gifts that are given by my cousins from Canada. First, we have a citrus, and so let's see what are the things we have. We have first the citrus and cherry blossom, which is a body wash. So, it has a very good fragrance and a simple fragrance, mainly of that citrus. And next, we have Nutella, and this is a Canada brand, which is the maple syrup. That leaf you can see in the Canada flag as well. So we tried the maple syrup and Nutella along with bread. So it was very good. And here we have a special uh, fruity sauce, the Jolly Rancher. We have watermelon, blue raspberry, and then different flavors in it. So it was very good. And here we have two types of bar. This one is crisp bars of the mainly the strawberry flavor. Along with that crispiness, the taste of the strawberry will enhance its taste. And this is a special sweet and salty granola bar or the nut bar. So it has the rolled oats and then every dry fruits along with the sweetness. So it is very good. Two coffee cup or the tea cup. Along with that, we have a special goggles of fossil. So the color is very good. So along with this, we'll try a special recipe, which is the Jain style paneer butter masala, that is without onion and garlic. So first, you obviously require some paneer, fresh Amul paneer, and this is for the masala. We need to grind this. Okay. So first, we need to take this cashew nut, one handful of cashew nut, which is the BB cashew, which is the small cashew, which is mainly used for the gravy. And then we have some grated coconut and coconut pieces. I think we need to take one small coconut for this, and this will be roughly enough for 5 to 10 people. And a pinch of haladi, which is the turmeric powder. So along with that, we require some garam masala, which is not the powder, which is the whole spices. A little bit of jeera, a little bit of fennel, and some black pepper, cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaf, like that, in a very small quantity. After that, take three tomatoes, which should be overripe, so that we get the sourness and some color as well. Like this, add water and make it into a fine paste. Grind it into a very fine paste. And now in a pan, take some ghee, oil, and then add this paste. And now you need to add garam masala powder, chili powder, salt, and sugar. The sugar for this, I think, we require 1.5 tablespoon to 2 tablespoon, which is more than enough. And here we have some fresh Prabhu roast parota. So the instruction is you need to roast it both the side for 2 to 3 minutes each. If you want crispy parota, you can roast it for a little bit while, but I prefer soft flaky parotas along with this gravy. See, like this. After that, cook it for 10 minutes and now add washed and heated paneer along with some salt and some capsicum and coriander leaves. Now in a low flame, cook it for 10 to 15 minutes so that the paneer will be cooked, capsicum will be cooked, and then raw smell will be gone. So like this, within 30 to 40 minutes, we can make this gravy. So some fresh parotas, we will taste it just by itself. So it's little bit of what you can say, super texture, and that gravy has little bit of sweetness that matches with the parota as well. So this is a best combination. If you are eating that with the ghee rice or something like palau, then make the gravy little bit thin. So along with this parota or chapati, you can make it like this in this consistency. So the main thing is we have cooked the paneer for 15 minutes, right, in a low flame, so that now it has resulted in very good absorption of the masala. So like this, you can see inside paneer there is full of masala and a good texture. See, this is very good, and the crunch of capsicum and the freshness of the coriander leaves is very good. So this is a very bonus and a special recipe, mainly for the digestion of that parota and paneer butter masala. Is some fresh green tea. Ignore the bird sound in the background. For that, take a pan or a saucepan like this. Take some jeera, coriander, fennel, everything little bit, and then pepper, tulasi. If you want, you can add some jaggery and salt. I didn't add anything. After that, make it into a fine paste and then add to the water and boil it very well like this. It should achieve this color. Wow, this is very good. I have heard that this is also good for infection as well, because the tulsi leaves and coriander, jeera, fennel are good for antifungal properties and anti something like that, antimicrobial properties, and it's even good for digestion as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked this video. Let us meet in the next video. Please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.